Rupees 1 lakh fine cost for non-payment of maintenance of minors. 2024 SMR 12192. In this very important decision by Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan, it's held that 17A of Family Court Act 1964 Family Court shall decree the maintenance suit of minors forthwith and impose fine amounting rupees 1 lakh to the father. Family Court, in accordance with Section 17A of the Family Court Act 1964, had lawful authority to strike out the defense of the petitioner father and decree the suit for the maintenance of on the basis of involvement in the plaint and other supporting documents on record of the case once the petitioner failed to pay the entire maintenance allowance by 14th day of each month during the pendency of proceedings. Petitioner was also put to notice by the family court to clear the area of the entire maintenance allowance, otherwise the provisions of section 17A of the act would be invoked, which the petitioner failed to comply with. Moreover, the determination of the amount of the maintenance by the family court was neither arbitrary nor capricious. Hence, the High Court had rightly declined to interfere with the finding of the family court with regard to the quantum of maintenance allowance. In view of the callous disregard of the petitioner for the court order to paying entire maintenance and his attempts to delay the payment of the decreed maintenance allowance for his minor children, the Supreme Court imposed costs on the petitioner in the sum of rupees 1 lakh, rupees 100,000 only to deter such conduct in the future with the direction that the cost shall be recovered by the executing court as part of the decree for maintenance. Petition was accordingly dismissed. Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan has empowered the family court regarding the maintenance suit of minors, although the above said provision is there in the family court act, but family court usually proceed the suit instead of applying this harsh enactment. But honorable Supreme Court has not only decreed the suit but also imposed heavy fine on the petitioner father. This is unique judgment on this issue of law which will be highly appreciated in the legal vicinity. Law is there, but applicability of law is an issue of the day. I think in the future, family courts, appellate courts, and constitutional courts shall do their best for the payment of minors' maintenance. For more videos on law and vlogs on law, please watch videos and subscribe my channel. Thanks. Thanks again.